अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैंने टाटो गोब्रो इस परो परान स्वीकस मंज व्हाट इज गवर्नमेंट तो अत वो सवाल क्या आज अमिक सवाल गोडनुक हु गिव्स द गवर्नमेंट द पावर टू टेक डिसीजंस एंड enforce laws. Answer अमुक in a democracy the power is given to the government by the people through elections. In a democracy the king or queen has the power to take decisions and enforce laws. The monarch may have a small group of advisors, but final decision is taken by the monarch. Question number 0. Do you think it is important for people to be involved in decisions that affect them? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Answer अमुक yes, it is important for people to be involved in decisions that affect them. Number 1, people are the best judge of their own interests. Duyam kat it is democratic method. Question number 3, what is the difference between democracy and monarchy? Answer अमुक democracy is people's rule while monarchy is king's rule. In democracy, government is elected through elections, while in monarchy, king or queen become by inheritance. Question number 4, which type of government would you prefer to have in the place you live in? Why? Answer, I will prefer democracy because it is better than any other form of government. इसके साथ democracy fulfills the needs of the people. Democracy is a responsible government. Democracy is based on consultation and decision. तो यह अजुक सवाल यम सवाल अजुक यम लिखो कापी पे इथे कन तो पत करियो याद छा ठीक ताकि एग्जामस मज मा हेकन तुम यम सवाल इत तो तुम हेकु पत इवन जवाब आसानी सान लिखित कर छा ठीक हाँ तो इजाजत तो बरी तला अगर जिंदगी थो तो दोबार तुह नश हाव अम ब्रो कम सवाल आसन क्या तो लिखो ठीक गो शुक्रिया।